friends, every morning question comes to my mind as to what to make for the kids' lunchbox. The recipe has to be simple and easy also. So today I will show you how to make veg pulao in a pressure cooker. So come on, let's see the recipe. This is some washed and soaked rice, onion, vegetables, carrot, capsicum, green beans, frozen peas, some ginger and garlic, spices, and I have used this biryani masala. Heat the pressure cooker, add some oil. Refer to the description for the list of ingredients. Add some spices. Add bay leaves, black peppercorns, cloves, cinnamon. Add onion. We will make the ginger garlic paste. I have some garlic and chopped ginger. With this I am going to make ginger garlic paste. So here is the ginger garlic paste. I am going to add it to the pressure cooker. Now I am going to add the vegetables to the pressure cooker. Add the biryani masala. The washed and soaked rice. Add water. Water should be double the quantity of rice. Add salt. Always add less salt while cooking. You can always taste and add it later. Pressure cook for 3 whistles on medium flame. Open the cooker after the pressure is released. Delicious vegetarian pulao is ready. If you like this recipe, please do like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Delicious veg pulao is ready. Thanks for watching.